Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into week 2 of 2025. We're going to go over gold. We'll do NASDAQ as well as S&P, and we'll still look at Bitcoin and maybe review NVIDIA, but those will definitely be the 4. We'll do gold, NASDAQ, S&P, and probably Bitcoin. Let's get into week 2 of 2025. Okay, here we are with gold for week 2 of 2025. Week 2 of the trading plan. You see right here on the 4-hour, we had a breaker structure here, and it broke this high as well. So overall, we're probably looking, it's perfect here. This pullback, we'll try to see what gold will pull back to before continuing up. But right now, it looks like we got that support that we were looking for with gold to come all the way back up here to this imbalance right here in this area. Again, let's start from the monthly, and I'll clean this chart up. So here we are with gold for the monthly. We had two days. Was it 2 or 3 days we had last week in the month? So for the monthly candle, it's bullish. We had 2 bearish candles from the 2 previous months where gold pulled back into. Looks like it cleaned up this imbalance. Then got support here. It looks like this will be the new low for gold. Overall, and people ask me why I always zoom back out at the beginning of the trading week. Again, depending on what time frames you trade on, having an overall picture is really good. Sometimes you only need the 4-hour or hour. However, some people trade, they swing trade, so they need a larger picture. And overall, it's good to just know what price is doing in the present picture. So again, bullish month for January so far. Price went up. I got a small wick down here for the monthly candle. Not too sure what it's going to do. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly, see if we see any imbalances or what the story is here. Looks like we have a little support here. We really want to see it take out this high and, potentially this high and pull back and then continue up. Right now, looking at this, we're at a discount weekly. It's after 6, so the market has opened. It looks like it moved up first. So let's go look at the daily. Have a small imbalance right here on the daily. I would say this is our range, not necessarily this, but from down here to here is our range for gold. If we take that, again, having this bullish close last week above this high, that lets me know that gold is going to still move up. We saw price pull back into this candle to clean up this imbalance, but it didn't quite make it all the way back down. So I would just continue to be aware of that. The price will probably potentially pull back into this area before continuing up. If not, it might just take off, and let's see what that might, if we have a plan for that would look like. So this is our 4-hour. Our 4-hour saying we only have imbalance all the way down here. This looks like support right here. So the price comes right back into here and, continues up. That's probably more like it. What is the daily? It's the imbalance here. And then we were saying 4-hour. Yeah. Not a lot of imbalance up here. So yeah, definitely price to pull right back into this area. Got a 4-hour candle with no wick up here. So keep an eye on that. There's a highly likelihood that price will come back into that area The market does not like to leave things undone, especially on a 4 hour. That's a higher time frame, not as high as a daily. Nonetheless, price will draw to these equal highs in this candle. So just be conscious of that. So for us, looking for price to pull back into this imbalance right here, 26.46, and then continue up. Prices started out bullish. Probably is going to go up and then come back down, and then take this out, clean this up, and then continue up. So that's what we're looking for. If it just takes off, we'll probably be looking at even a 4 hour close above this candle. That would be a good position on a 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, if you're trading like on an hour, 30-minute, that's a good position. What I would do is I would wait for it to break this high here at 26.76 and then pull back and then go continue up. Yeah, if it doesn't come all the way back down to here, come back all the way down to here, you see as this broke out and came back, same thing. We want price to see. We had a close above here, imbalance here on the daily. So yeah, looking forward to take out this imbalance, meet this resistance, then come back and then continue up. Yeah, so for right now, unless price closes above 26.74, I would look for buys in this area here. However, price could potentially just come straight here and continue up. It could come here and continue up and clean up this imbalance over here in this area right here. So that's gold. If you have any questions, please send them to me. Let's go over here to MNQ NASDAQ. You are at NASDAQ. We saw price pull back from last week. All the way down here to this candle with no wick. This is a 4 hour candle with no wick. And I believe, let's see here. I believe there was like either imbalance or no wick on that daily as well. Yes, it was an imbalance. So we saw price come right back into this area. Candle with it's an itty bitty wick on the daily. Close enough to an equal low. However, more importantly, looks like we got support. We're going to need a daily close above this high, 22,037. And again, prices on my chart will be different than prices on your chart. We need a close above that for me to really think that we're back bullish. So let's go ahead and clean this chart up and look at it from monthly, then come on down. Okay, so for NAS, here we are for our monthly. Our overall goal right now, once it takes out this high, is 22,771. I showed you previously how I came to that. But overall, again, right now, just bullish. Even last month's candle with the long selling wick is still bullish. Do I think the market is going to turn around? I don't believe so. Not right now. See a small imbalance on the monthly right here that it may potentially can come to and clean up before continuing up. And I believe that's that imbalance on the daily. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly, not showing too much, showing this little bit of imbalance right here on that small candle. Small weekly candle. Understand it's a weekly candle still. Small weekly candle, not a lot of price action there. We got these huge bearish candles with these long wicks, letting us know that the buyers are still there. They're still there. So support here, high, higher high, higher high. Again, this is weekly. Yeah, I don't think this is a turning point. Here's our daily. And the small imbalance all the way down here. But it came right back into this imbalance right here, touched and turned it back around. So it's been there twice. At this point, I would consider it, taken care of. So we're looking for, this is the daily. Yeah, we're looking for a close above 22,064. I'll mark that. Excuse me, 22,046. 22,046. So you see why we call NAS nasty. We got these gap ups. It came right back down, clean that up. Had a push, did not fully clean up that imbalance. This is the daily. Remember, we're on the daily. Did not come back and fully clean up that imbalance. Still has some left here. I would say currently we're working in this range for our daily. Go ahead and mark that. And what we would like to see is exactly what price is doing now, pulling back right here into this imbalance 21.27 and continuing up. This is daily 21.869. That's what we would like. We got this nice daily candle here. So price coming right back. It's a 21.492. That's what we want. That's what we want. Will we get it? We'll see. We shall see. So if I remove our range bracket, see it's a little imbalance left. Come back and it needs to touch and clean up. 4 hour shows us all the way down to here. I think that's more pragmatic. We're looking for price to come all the way back into this area here, 21.438 before continuing up. Again, the reason why I put the daily is so we can see where our next level is, which is right here at 21.710. So again, price coming back right here to 21.438, and then making creating support, and then continuing up. It's highly likely. Within that range, we're still at a discount. Still a place to get positioned right now. Whether or not you would, whether or not you would wait for it to break the next high, I think at this point, definitely you can get a position once this cleans itself up on the daily. Get that position. Let's see, where is that on the 4 hour? Just like here. Took out this high. Came right back into it. And it's on the 4 hour. Took out this high. We need to come right back into it and then continue up. That's what we're looking for. Once that happens, it's going to continue up and take out that next high. Pull back, same thing. Same thing over and over. The market doesn't change. We change how we see it. Just 100%. We change how we see it. And then over here on the left, it has this this candle left on the 4 hour to clean up as well. So, yep. There's the trading plan for week 2 for MNQ or NASDAQ. Let's go on over here to S&P. Well, yes, let's do S&P. Okay, here we are with S&P. As you can see, we had our range. I think that's still the range. We haven't developed a new low. Looks like we got support here. Again, I have it already marked. And that was from Friday. We were waiting for price to come back into this 4-hour support right here before continuing up. We already have a 4-hour breaker structure right here at 59.75. So yeah, we're looking for price just to pull back into that area and continue up. It did not do it on Friday. Last hour, it kind of played around and got a little sideways, where it just formed a small 4-hour candle at the end of the day. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. All right, we're gonna take down the. Okay, here, this still remains our target. I'm gonna leave this up. We're gonna go to the monthly bullish candle. Exactly what we thought. It's done its retracement currently. There are some equal lows that I am a little concerned about, but overall, it looked like it settled into the month really nicely last week. Nice long wick for the monthly. So we're looking to take out this high right here. 61. What is that? 61.27. 28-ish. I could have just looked at it right here. Yeah, 61.20, 61.84.50. 61.84.50. I'm looking forward to take out that high and then, again, pull back and then continue up after that. I think this is still a good chart to work off of. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Again, we already have support. Looking for price to take out this high in this candle. Open it 61.29 high. Yeah, 61.29 is what I'm looking for to take out. Close up there, pull back, and then continue up. I know a lot of people wanted to shoot out the door, but this is actually a nice setup. Look at this: lower low, higher low, created that higher high, came back to lower low, and have been functioning there. So yeah, this chart is pretty much straightforward. Let's at least look at the daily. Got that right there. Okay, I think all is well. I have to find that information so that I can place it up here. I'll try to do a next trading review for TradeView. Before that, we'll figure it out. So let's go over here to Bitcoin. Okay, here's the monthly for Bitcoin. As you can see, didn't quite make it back down to 73,709. I would not be in a rush, even with this. Looking at the monthly. Excuse me, just the weekly. We haven't broke this high yet, so if indeed we get a close above here, maybe look for some buys. But this is kind of typical. Well, it didn't even break this low yet, so came right back here. This is the daily. Clean up this imbalance. Let's look to see where this daily closes. If we get a close above, let's see what this is. What is this? Open at 99,357. If we get a close above there on a daily, like a day, nice strong day candle above there, it might carry back up here to 105, 535. Right now what I see is it's kind of not strong right here. Doesn't look like it's going to break this high. Look like going to get some resistance right here, and it'll probably come back, take out this low, and again kind of push down to 73, 709. Now again, understand this, we're looking at this on a monthly. It may take a while to get back down here. I wouldn't be too much of a rush to get a position on Bitcoin. I'm just telling you what I see. I mean, if you're in and getting some shorts or something, okay, cool. Excuse me, not shorts, but short gains. Definitely, you know, you can trade within the range, but I would kind of be patient, wait for it to get back down here, 73, 709. It's not showing that it's going to take out this high anytime soon, 106, 403. Let's see here. So this is open. Yeah, 106, 214, excuse me. Let me say it like that. It's 106, 214. I don't see it. It's not showing it's going to take that out anytime soon. So I would be still again, be patient, but if we don't get a close above this 99,357, I would be patient and let it do its thing and get lower. There will be some people that short it and see it's going see it all the way down here. That's cool. I would be patient and get position back on Bitcoin. So that's week 2 trading plan for 2025. Again, we took a look at gold, NASDAQ, S&P, and Bitcoin. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment. I'll answer it. I'm thinking about going live this week, maybe Monday or Tuesday. More likely Tuesday, and review some of my trades, and maybe even trade live. So if you guys want to join me, I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you soon. Again, Investment Process Channel. Have a great week.